Hello and welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with the previous day practice question. The question was, the International Court of Justice ICJ is based in Hague, Geneva, New York, Prague. The correct answer is option A, Hague. The International Court of Justice is the principal judicial organ of the United Nations. It was established in June 1945 by the Charter of the United Nations and began work in April 1946. The seat of the court is at the Peace Palace in The Hague, Netherlands. Of the 6 principal organs of the United Nations, it is the only one not located in the New York, United States of America. The court's role is to settle, in accordance with international law, legal disputes submitted to it by states and to give advisory opinions on legal questions referred to it by authorized United Nations organs and specialized agencies. The court is composed of 15 judges who are elected for terms of office of 9 years by the United Nations General Assembly and the Security Council. Hence, option A is correct. Now let's begin with today's session. The first question is, which of the following country has the longest passenger train in the world? India, China, Switzerland, Canada. And the correct answer is option C, Switzerland. Switzerland has the longest passenger train in the world, hence option C is correct. Recently, the world's longest passenger train was seen passing through the Alps hills in Switzerland. This train has 100 coaches whose length is 1910 meters and it has 4550 seats. It was announced at an event to mark the 175th anniversary of Switzerland's railway system. Note that Switzerland is a mountainous European country with the highest peaks of the Alps. The next question is, what is the tenure of the commissioners of the Election Commission of India? 6 years or till the age of 65 years, 5 years or till the age of 65 years, 6 years or till the age of 55 years, 5 years or till the age of 55 years. The correct answer is option A, 6 years or till the age of 65 years. Recently, the Election Commission of India has announced the dates for the Gujarat state elections. The Election Commission of India is a permanent constitutional body. It was established on 25 January 1950 in accordance to the Indian Constitution. Originally, the commission had only one Chief Election Commissioner, whereas at present it consists of Chief Election Commissioner and 2 Election Commissioners. President of India appoints the Chief Election Commissioner and Election Commissioners. Their tenure is for 6 years or till the age of 65 years, whichever is earlier. Hence, option A is correct. They receive the salary and allowances available to the judges of the Supreme Court of India. The Chief Election Commissioner can be removed from office only by impeachment by the Parliament. The next question is, which of the following organization releases the Performance Grading Index? Department of Industrial Policy and Promotion, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Home Affairs. The correct answer is option C, Ministry of Education. Recently, the Ministry of Education released the Performance Grading Index for the year 2020-21. Hence, option C is correct. PGI is a unique index of evidence-based comprehensive analysis of the school education system in the state union territory. Indian education system is one of the largest education systems in the world with around 14.9 lakh schools, 9.5 million teachers, and about 265 million students from different socio-economic backgrounds. For this, 1000 points have been included in 70 indicators, which are divided into 2 categories. The next question is, in which city the Urban Mobility India Conference and Exhibition 2022 is being organized? New Delhi, Kochi, Hyderabad, or Kolkata? The correct answer is option B, Kochi. Urban Mobility India Conference and Exhibition 2022 is being organized in Kochi from today, that is November 4, 2022, which will continue till November 6. Hence, option B is correct. The event is being organized by the Union Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs in association with the Government of Kerala. This year, the theme of the event is Azadi, at 75 Sustainable Self-Reliance Urban Mobility. The event provides an opportunity to bring together national and international experts, service providers, policymakers, businessmen, and officials from the urban transport sector. The next question is, India Post Payment Bank works under the aegis of which of the following ministry? Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Commerce, Ministry of Home Affairs, or Ministry of Communications? The correct answer is option D, Ministry of Communications. Recently, India Post Payment Bank organized India's first floating financial literacy camp in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir to enhance financial literacy. IPPB has been set up under the Department of Post under the Ministry of Communications, hence option D is correct. The Government of India has 100% ownership on it. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched IPPB in September 1, 2018. The purpose of establishment of this bank is to provide very easy, affordable and reliable bank service to the common people of India. The next question is, which of the following Prime Minister established the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund PMNRF? Jawaharlal Nehru, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi or Morarji Desai? The correct answer is option A, Jawaharlal Nehru. Recently, after the collapse of bridge in Morbi, Gujarat, the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund once again came into the limelight. Historically, PMNRF was established by former Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru in 1948, hence option A is correct. It was established by public contribution aimed at helping displaced people from Pakistan. At present, it is used to deal with natural calamities like floods, cyclones and earthquakes, etc. This fund consists entirely of public contributions that do not receive any budgetary support. The next question is, what are Sahaj and Sugam, which have been in news recently? Scheme for the elderly, types of income tax returns, portal for unemployed youth or public transport system? The correct answer is option B, types of income tax returns. The Central Board of Direct Taxes has proposed a single income tax return form for all taxpayers. At present, there are 7 types of ITR forms which are used by different categories of taxpayers. In accordance to this proposal, all the taxpayers except Trust and Non-Profit Organization ITR 7 will be able to use a common ITR form. General taxpayers will have the option to file returns in ITR 1 Sahaj and ITR 4 Sugam or the proposed normal ITR. Hence option B is correct. ITR 1 called Sahaj is meant for small and medium taxpayers. Sahaj forms can be filed by individuals with income up to rupees 50 lakh, income from salary, house property or other sources. ITR 4 Sugam is a simplified form like ITR 1. It can be filed by individuals, Hindu undivided families and firms whose total income from business and profession is up to rupees 50 lakh. The next question is, in which year the Central Reserve Police Force was formed? 1938, 1939, 1940 or 1941? The correct answer is option B, 1939. Recently, for the first time, 2 women officers of the Central Reserve Police Force have been appointed as Inspector General. The Central Reserve Police Force was formed on July 27, 1939, hence option B is correct. It became the Central Reserve Police Force on 28 December 1949 with the enactment of the CRPF Act. Due to its spectacular ability, it is called upon to control any urgent situations. CRPF has achieved the status of most acceptable force by the people and the state administration. The next question is, Defense Research and Development Organization, that is DRDO, works under which ministry? Ministry of Science and Technology, Ministry of Home Affairs, the Office of the Prime Minister, Ministry of Defense. The correct answer is option D, Ministry of Defense. Recently, Defense Research and Development Organization conducted the first successful flight test of Phase 2 Ballistic Missile Defense Interceptor AD-1 missile with a large strike height bracket. DRDO is the R&D wing of the Ministry of Defense. It aims to equip India with the state-of-art defense technologies. It was established in 1958 through the merger of the Directorate of Technical Development and Production with the Technical Development Establishment and Defence Science Organization of the Indian Army. It is a network of more than 50 laboratories playing their part in the development of defense technologies covering various disciplines like aeronautics, armaments, electronics, combat vehicles, engineering systems, etc. The next question is, what is the term Mauna Loa which was seen in news recently? A city in Ukraine, a river in Iran, a volcano in the Hawaiian Islands, a plateau of South Africa. The correct answer is option C, a volcano in the Hawaiian Islands. The world's largest active volcano, Mauna Loa, is turbulent and looks like it could erupt anytime. Mauna Loa is one of 5 volcanoes that together make up the larger islands of the Hawaiian Islands, hence option C is correct. In written history, from 1843, it has erupted 33 times, while the last time it erupted was in 1984. It is about 200 miles, that is 320 kilometers, south of Oahu, Hawaii's most populous island, where the state capital Honolulu and the beach resort of Waikiki both are located. Now it's time for the practice question, and the question is, in the context of the Indian Constitution, which of the following articles cover right to privacy? Article 14, Article 15, Article 19 and Article 21. Send the answer in the comment section. That's all for today. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.